So in this Expedia tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to search transportation here on the Expedia application. So the first thing you have to do is open up the Expedia app. Once that is done, the first way you can do it is to go to the bottom left here, press on home, then go to the top where it says Hi Traveler, it says stays, flights, cars, etc. You can press on cars right here if you're looking for transportation. But also another way you can do is just go down to the bottom left, press on search right here, and then where it says cars right here, in regards to transportation, you can go ahead and press on that in the top right, and then you can sort of view the different cars. So you can go pickup, same as pickup, the dates, etc. You can press on search or pickup, whatever the case may be. I'll just press on New York City right here, and pickup will be New York City. I'll press on search, for example. You can change the time. I'll just go to, I don't know, we'll just change this to, for example, 11 a.m. Just like that. Press on search, and you can go through it that way. So it's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So you can go to the top right, press on search here, and then go press on cars or press on the home tab, and then go to cars here right in the middle and press on that as well. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to search transportation here on Expedia. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.